This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. I'm doing a travel video showing our 15-day cruise from San Francisco to Hawaii and then back on the Grand Princess and what the seas were like. This is coming back from the trip toward San Francisco, and the seas were a little bit rough. You can see in the swimming pool that the ship was moving around quite a bit. So I think it's a lot of fun, but it can make you a bit seasick, so it'd be important to bring some kind of seasick medicine with you, like Dramamine. This is day one, though. This is on the Pacific Ocean heading toward Hawaii, and the ocean was just beautiful. Nice blue, beautiful sunset, and very calm, very smooth. Most of the trip was like that. Just a few days got pretty dicey. And then this, again, is just the beautiful blue color that you see on the Pacific Ocean. Day 3, and this is coming into Hilo. We're greeted by a beautiful rainbow, and then this is getting a little bit of help from a tugboat as we come into Kauai near the sunset. And then here we are leaving Kauai later in the day. This is out on the bridge of the Grand Princess looking for whales, and the wind's starting to pick up. So on the Pacific Ocean, you don't really know what you're going to get. Most of the time it's pretty smooth, but be prepared for some rocky seas. And here's the harbor pilot after having taken us out into the deeper ocean. They're just heading back to Kauai. We found that eating green apples sometimes can help, and ginger ale can help if you get a bit seasick. This is the tender trip coming into Maui, and there's our ship in the background. And then at Maui we saw a lot of whales out in the calm bay. And here's some of that choppy ocean, which is it's exciting, but again can make you sick. We saw a lot of people walking around with the Dramamine patches, which I think are helpful. And then here's another day where the seas got pretty rough. So we had a little bit rougher seas coming in toward Ensenada, and then they were calming down a little bit, back to normal. And I got a little chance to do some YouTube video making out on the deck, which is really nice. It was a really good trip, really nice cruise to go on, and then back to heavy seas again. So I hope this has been helpful to give you an idea what the seas are like. It's just calm some days and then pretty intense other days, but it's a beautiful ocean. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.